Hello everyone, welcome to Truck City, the place where trucks are building an amazing theme park. We will put up first a giant water slide. Today we're going to build the swimming pool, but what kind of vehicle do we need? Let's open the garage. It looks like the pieces of an excavator. Let's take them out and put them together. First, the turret, on which we put the cabin that will pilot the excavator. Then, the frame, made of the tensioner and the wheels. Now, let's put the caterpillar with it. The excavator will be able to drive on any kind of ground. Finally, we add the shovel, which is made of a spire, an arm, and a bucket. The excavator will be able to dig in any ground. Here we are. The excavator is all set up. Look at what we can do with it. Awesome! Okay, let's go to the construction site to build the swimming pool. Let's start by digging a big hole here. The excavator takes the soil and puts it in the dump truck. The swimming pool is going to be so big. Let's dig a little bit more. A little bit more. Now, the dump truck is full. He can carry away the soil. Look, another dump truck. It brings the slabs. Let's start by putting the slabs on the floor. Then on the wall. Finally, we put the edges. Perfect. Last thing to do is to fill up the swimming pool with water. But we will do that next time. Thanks, everyone, and see you soon for new adventures at Truck City. Subscribe or click here if you want to watch more awesome videos.